If you have a blended family, this is the poster child story about why you've got to have some type of estate plan. I'm here at the courthouse. I just finished up meeting with a couple of attorneys and the judge. I've been assigned to sell two properties as part of an estate. And here's what happened 4 years ago. Husband and wife, they've got two kids. The wife was trying to get her husband to do some kind of will estate plan. He got very offended by this, said, "What do you think is going to happen? You think I'm going to die?" And as you can imagine, the reason why I'm here is that he did die. And this is where it gets very complicated because he was married. He had a couple of kids with that wife that he was married to when he passed away. But he also had kids from a previous marriage. And I don't want to get into all of the legalities about what happens in this situation, because the point of this is that you should speak with an attorney. But it doesn't wind up the way a lot of people think it's going to happen. Most people think that his wife, when he passed away, and kids from that marriage would get his estate, but that's not what happened. And so this was 4 years ago. The kids from a previous marriage has been fighting it out from with the family that his wife he was married to, and those kids for 4 years, and they've been racking up legal bills. Each of these properties is going to sell for about $100,000 less than they would have 4 years ago. And so, this is always difficult because nobody wants to make these kind of decisions about where your money is going to go. And you don't want to offend anybody if, somebody feels like you are favoring somebody else. But what happened in this situation is by not doing that, it really has caused so much heartache and resentment and money that could have been easily avoided if there was an estate plan that was done 4 years ago. And so that's the point of this story is to if you're a guy and you have this blended family, make sure you go and you talk to an attorney so that your estate gets settled exactly as you would want it to when you're able to make those decisions and not when the judge and the court is making those decisions for you.